And as Uganda decides, former Premier John Patrick Mbabazi is hoping to charm the electorate with his long, lustrous influence in Uganda's politics. He was appointed Attorney General and Minister of Justice, and he later served from 24th May 2011 to September 2014. He was the 10th Prime Minister in Uganda's history. Our reporter Zinzi Kibiku has a full profile of one of the men giving Yoweri Museveni a run for his seat.
Born on 16th January 1949 in Uganda's Kabale district, John Patrick Mbabazi is quite a politician and family man. Uganda's former Prime Minister is married to Jacqueline Mbabazi, with whom they have 4 children, 2 daughters, Nina and Rachel, plus 2 sons, Mao and Marx. Even with a busy personal life, Mbabazi is active in Uganda's political arena. And he has an impressive academic CV to go with it. He attended Kigezi College for his high school education and Ntare School for his A-levels. He later joined Makerere University, where he graduated with a Bachelor of Law degree.
This is an election also where one of the main pillars, somebody who has been with Museveni 40 years, in John Patrick Mbabazi, has come into this election. There's been a fear, there was a fear that there would be a shift within, a division within the NRM.
Before joining politics, he worked as a state attorney in the Attorney General's chambers from 1976 to 1978, rising to the position of Secretary of the Uganda Law Council. John Patrick Mbabazi was once an advocate for the Courts of Judicature of Uganda and the Secretary of the Ugandan Law Society since 1977 to 1979. Between the years of 1986 and 1992, he served as the head of the External Security Organization. He was appointed Attorney General and Minister of Justice from 2004 to 2006. Later, he served as the Prime Minister of Uganda from 24th May 2011 to 19th September 2014. He was the 10th Prime Minister in Uganda's history.
I come before you today to tell you that I'll be seeking your vote, first within my party, the National Resistance Movement, as its flag bearer, and later on in the whole country.
On 15th June 2015, Mbabazi declared his intentions to run against Yoweri Museveni. The following month of the same year, he was arrested in eastern Jinja town, the same location Keza Besigye was arrested earlier this week. Mbabazi questioned his former boss' assertion of having restored security in the country, saying absence of war did not mean the country was stable.
The principles of NRM are noble and just. They were and are still based upon a desire for a better Uganda. But as a founding member, lawyer, and a patriotic citizen, I will not bind myself to illegalities.
Mbabazi, a co-founder of the National Resistance Movement, has pledged to end land grabbing, police brutality, and to fight poverty. Zinzi Kibiku, KTN News.